Welcome to this series, all about AI agents. This is Saravana from Pay for Watch Time. Below are the topics we'll cover. 1. What are AI agents? 2. Different types of AI agents. 3. Practical real-life examples of AI agents. What is an AI agent? An AI agent is software that can think, decide, and act automatically to achieve a goal. Examples: chatbots answering questions, AI booking tickets, AI doing research automatically. AI is no longer just chatbots. AI is becoming workers. Different AI systems work in different ways. Let's understand the different types of AI agents using real-world examples. There are 5 major types of AI agents. First, the Simple Reflex Agent. Next, the Model-Based Agent. Then, the Goal-Based Agent. Fourth is the Utility-Based Agent. Finally, the Learning Agent. Simple Reflex Agent reacts instantly. Input triggers immediate action. No memory, no learning, only reaction. The logic is simple. If motion is detected, the door opens. If no motion, the door closes. That's simple reflex logic. Model-based agents use past data plus current data. This allows them to make the best decision. These agents remember past conditions. They merge that history with real-time sensor data. This creates a seamless, adaptive flow of information, enabling smarter, more responsive systems. Goal-based agents work to achieve a target. For example, a food delivery rider's app. It optimizes the navigation path in real time on a map. This shows the process: target, plan, action. They choose the best path to reach the goal. Utility agents choose the best option among many. Here we score each product to find the best choice. The highest score is highlighted as the best choice. They calculate value and pick the best result. Learning agents improve with experience. They learn from past mistakes and data. Here's how the machine learning process works. Data is used to train the model, which improves over time, increasing its accuracy. This is how AI is evolving. Until now, we saw the 5 fundamental AI agent types, but modern AI has evolved further. Today, we add the 2 most important agents of our time. When we combine reaction, memory, goal thinking, and learning, we get the first of our 2 new agents, modern LLM agents. This is called an LLM agent, the smart digital worker you interact with every day. LLM agents don't just answer. They plan, use tools, remember, and execute tasks. Example, ask your AI to plan a full trip. It searches, compares, books, and gives you the complete itinerary. LLM agents connect to real-world tools and act on your behalf. One smart AI worker handling multiple tasks. That's the power of a single LLM agent. But some problems are simply too big for one agent. This is where the second new agent type comes in, multi-agent systems. Just like a company team, AI agents can split work and collaborate. One agent researches, one analyzes numbers, one writes the report, one checks quality. They talk to each other, share information, and finish complex tasks together. LLM agent, one smart worker. Multi-agent system, a complete smart team. In the near future, entire software and businesses will run on teams of AI agents. In the next videos, we will implement each agent with real-life examples. Subscribe to learn AI in a real-life, simple way.